Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So yeah, it is coming lower and lower. Basically now, that was the expectation in the previous video. Now that we broke below that trend line, I mentioned it before, expectations can now be, due to the price action, that we're heading into this green support area. Again, just a reminder, this support area is sitting between 20,220 pretty much and 22,220. This is the relevant support area for the wave 4. Still, I'm not entirely sure yet if the wave 3 finished here, and that would be in line with Ethereum, and we came down in an A wave. This was a B wave, and we're now rallying down in the C wave. In that case, we would have a very, not a very clear target, but we can use the calculation here to measure the target, and it doesn't look finished, therefore probably the 1.618 extension is a likely one, talking here about 21.9k as one of the key targets to the downside. The other method is, or the other way is, wave 3 is here and we come down now only in an A wave of 4. So this is what we need to see a little bit, need to be a bit flexible with that. But either way, I would expect that green support area to be reached ideally. Now we're going to take a look at Y as well. But for now, yeah, that's a good question. The thing is, they're both likely. Experience shows in the end they are often aligned, and I think Ethereum's price action is a bit clearer. So I'm gonna be brave now. I'm gonna move the wave 3 here now, and I'm gonna label it as an A wave, B wave, C wave. But then we've got the other scenario in which we're now only in the A wave of 4. Please be aware of that, yeah. And then let's label the subwaves of the C wave. I think a lot of people would like to know where we are with that. I will have to go to the 15-minute chart to see a bit more detail. Yeah, and I think we can give it a go. I think this is a pretty clear wave 1 here, wave 2. Then this is another 1-2 setup. I'm gonna label that in a minute. 1-2. This looks like a 3, 4, 5. So it looks like, it appears to me, also the price action at the moment, that this was only the wave 3. We're now in a 4 and should come down in a 5. And that will be the next decision point. Could work out quite nicely with that 21.9k level. If I, let me just change the degree here. And then I'm looking forward to Wednesday, Fed interest rate decision. We're going to do a live stream again. I will see if I can stream it live this time and comment on it, but I'm not sure how that works with copyright or whatever. So I don't really want to risk the channel for that. 2, 3. The wave 4 could also be a triangle. That's a bit, not entirely sure. 4, 5. Bit like that, yeah. And then let me make another color here for that so we can distinguish between them nicely. Yeah, so I think that's where we are. And what would be the target here for the 4th wave? In yellow, take the length of the 3rd wave. And yeah, here we look at, normally a minimum retracement of the 23.6 fib, 22.87k. It would be the minimum. Like we did here as well, yeah. We had a nice retracement here. What fib level did we reach here? Let's just double check that. Looks like the 38.2. Yeah. So that's the ideal target, isn't it? So let's put a target box on the screen. What we should reach. I think we can assume the wave 3 is now in down here, because we had a bit of a reaction. So yeah, wave 4. And then 5 down. So that's sort of how I would see this, how I would label this. Do it at the wave 4. Currently assuming this is a wave 4, and then you can see we are also in what you could call an impulsive price channel. So if I take the fibs out, what I also do, I'll take these trend lines out. We want to keep the chart clean. And I'm gonna shrink these support boxes down, but they were successful. You know, anybody who entered in these made some nice trades. Let's see if this could be a nice short. So yeah, let's see if we can define a nice channel here. It's not ideal. Get most touch points here. And then my view would be if we break out of this channel. Yeah, but it's tricky, isn't it? I can't really say that if we break out of this channel, we're already moving up, because the wave 4 target is basically sitting above the channel resistance. So let's see. I mean, we've connected waves. Need to connect wave 1 and 3 actually. That's done. Okay, and then if we create a parallel line from here, that would give a bit more space here for the 4th wave. Let's see, you know, maybe we just about go to the 23.6 fib and then come down straight away. And let's see how that, if that channel is helpful for us. But it's pushing down, and yeah, target range is generally still here. The larger support area for the 4th wave is here still, and we finally get this 4th wave, as it seems, yeah, is here still between, oh yeah, I need to move it now, because move it slightly, that target box, because I moved the wave 3 down a little bit, a tiny bit. So between, let's say, 22,060 is now support, and yeah, let's call it 20k. Okay, so moved it slightly, that box, and these are the key levels. Yeah, 22,060, the 23.6 fib, 20,966 is basically the ideal target for this green wave 4. Okay, looking at that, yeah, it would then be more likely that this is only the A wave of the wave 4, because considering that this 38.2 fib is the ideal target for a 4th wave, if we come down in an A wave, then have a chance to move up in B and come down in C, that would take us nicely to this. If we come down now with this short A wave down, yeah, and reach the 38.2, that would be a really long C wave. So have an open mind, yeah. We need to see how, when this 5 wave move ends, how do we react? Is it a B wave up, or is it going to be the next impulse to the upside in the 5th wave? I'm going to keep you updated all the time about that. Yeah, and then that's sort of where we are with Bitcoin at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.